Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Equifax for disputes and insurance readiness easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Equifax's official website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. Make sure your information is entered correctly. If you forgot your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, navigate to the Dispute section of the site. Look for the option that says Dispute a Credit Report. Click on it to start your dispute process. Read the instructions carefully before proceeding. Fill out the necessary information regarding your dispute. Make sure to provide any required documentation. After submitting your dispute, take note of any reference number provided. Now, to check your insurance readiness, return to the main dashboard. Locate the section for insurance services. Click on the link related to insurance information. Review the options available for understanding your insurance readiness. If prompted, enter any additional information the site asks for. Make sure to save any important documents or references. Once finished, log out of your Equifax account for security reasons. Close your web browser when you are done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.